Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to open an account online on US Bank. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for US Bank account opening. And click on this open a checking account. Now you can explore the options and simply click on apply now. Now enter the zip code and click on go. And choose yes if you are a US Bank customer, and if you are not, simply click on no. Now we need to enter all of our details here. Enter the email address, enter a mobile number, and click on save and continue. Now next is about our identity. Enter your date of birth, enter your social security number. Now enter your address details, your city, state, and also zip code. Now choose your country of citizenship, your permanent residence, and if you have dual citizenship, you need to select next country as well, and simply click on save and continue. After this, we'll go to the next step, that is verification. Once our identity is verified with the documents, we'll go to next step, that is adding our username and password, which will be useful to log in later on. So afterwards, we'll finally create our open US Bank account. So this is all we can do to open US Bank account online. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.